Good morning, children. God bless you all. Now, I have sent you the maths assignment of chapter 6 Money on 10th of May. Hope you all have copied it very neatly in your Maths 1 CW notebook. I have sent you 4 questions. This is the first one, fill in the blanks, and this is the second one. Write the given amount in figures. I have already explained you these two questions. Moving on to the next one, the third question, which is convert rupees into paise. And the fourth one, convert paise into rupees. So these two we will be doing today. Okay, conversion of rupees into paise and conversion of paise into rupees. Remember, 1 rupee is equals to 100 paise. Okay, 1 rupee is equals to 100 paise. So rupees you have to multiply by 100 when you convert it into paise. You have to remove the symbol of rupees and write the paise at the end. Rupee 6 is equals to, when you multiply by 100, becomes 600 paise. What you have to do is you have to remove the point and you have to write, and you have to remove the symbol of rupee and you have to write paise in the end. Rupees 7.60, you have to remove the decimal and you have to write 760 paise. Okay, in the end what you will write? You will write paise. Rupee 10, when you multiply by 100, you get 1000 paise. Rupees 25, when you multiply by 100 to convert into paise, you will get 2500 paise. Rupees 17, when you multiply by 100, you get 1700 paise. Rupees 8, when you multiply by 100, you get 800 paise. In this, you have to remove the point and you have to remove the symbol of rupee. Okay, you have to multiply it with 100 and write paise in the end. Now, question number 4 is convert paise into rupees. Remember, 100 paise is equals to 1 rupee. To convert paise into rupees, the point called decimal is placed after the 2 digits from the right of the number showing paise, and then symbol of rupee is written on the extreme left. Okay. Now this is 340 paise. What you have to do is, first you have to write the symbol of rupee and you write 340. From the right hand side, take 2 digits, ones and tens, and in the middle you put the decimal point and then write paise. It becomes rupees 3.40 paise. Okay. Number 2, 650 paise. Again, how to convert it into rupees? Write the symbol of rupee here, then write 650. Then after 2 digits, after the ones and the tens digit, place the decimal here. So it becomes rupees 6.50 paise. Number 3rd is 500 paise. To convert this, you have to write the symbol rupees and write 500. After ones and tens digit, put the point. So it becomes rupees 5.00 paise. Number 4th is 7050 paise. In the same way, write the symbol of rupee and 7050 you have to write, and then after 2 digits place the decimal, so it becomes rupees 70.50 paise. Number 5, 2050 paise. How to convert it into rupees now? Write the symbol of rupees and write 2050, and after 2 digits put the decimal here. So it becomes rupees 20.50 paise. 6th is 1000 paise. 1000 paise. To convert, again write the symbol of rupee and write 1000 paise, and after 2 digits put the decimal. So this was your written assignment which was sent yesterday. Write it down very neatly in your Maths 1 CW notebook. Now today I have sent you this work of Maths Reader. Open page 123 of your Maths Reader. Convert rupees into paise. What you have to do in this is, again you have to multiply by 100 to convert into paise. When you multiply rupees 6, it becomes 600 paise. Remove the symbol of rupee and write 600 paise. Rupee 10 will become, when you multiply by 100, it becomes 1000 paise. The symbol of rupee you have to remove. Okay. Rupee 12.20 will become 1220 paise. In this you have to remove the decimal point. rupees 26.75 will become 2675 paise. Rupees 64.75 will become 6475 paise. In the last three sums, what you have to do now, you have to just remove the decimal point and it will convert into paise. 7.60 rupees 7.60 will become 760 paise. When you remove the decimal, it becomes 760 paise. Rupees 8.90 will become 890 paise. Rupees 7.05 will become 705 paise. Rupees 62.25 will become 6225 paise. Remove the symbol of rupee and remove the decimal. Rupees 70.06 will become 7006 paise. Okay, understood? Now copy this very neatly in your maths reader book, page 123. Moving on to the next topic, convert paise into rupees. What you have to do is 804 paise. You have to write the symbol of rupee and write 804. After two digits from the right hand side, which is ones and tens, place the decimal. So it will convert into rupees. Rupees 8.04 paise. You have to write rupees and paise. It is written here already, so you don't have to write only the digits. 350 paise will convert into rupees. How you will convert it? Rupees 3.50 paise. After the two numbers, put the decimal from the right hand side. 4050 paise, rupees 40.50 paise. After ones and tens, you put the decimal point and the remaining number will be the rupees. 2153 paise, rupees 21.53 paise. Put the decimal. Now this is 21 paise. After two digits from the right hand sides, ones and tens, put the decimal and write 0. So rupees 0.21 paise. 4040 paise will become rupees 40.40 paise. 407 paise will become rupees 4.07 paise. Same way, after the two digits from the right hand side, ones and tens, put the decimal. The remaining number will be the rupees 4.07 paise. 2070 paise will become rupees 20.70 paise. 5005 paise will become rupees 50.05 paise. 7540 paise will become rupees 75.40 paise. 99 paise will become rupees 0.99 paise. Two digits from the right hand side, ones and tens, put the decimal and write 0. 9090 paise will become rupees 90.90 paise. Hope you all have understood this. Please write down very neatly on page number 123 of your maths reader. So this topic is over. Chapter 6 money is over. Tomorrow we will take some other topic. Till then, stay at home, stay safe, study well, listen to your parents and keep watching the videos sent by the school every day. Please do not miss out the videos. Thank you.